Ner malak enyam biya kamal ka Nuer online TV channel. Ke jan gwasa me bana racha ke kui jwatan shal ke kɔlɔra. Bana mention a lot ke kui kɔlɔra bana jaling. Mi jirama jidit ka Nuer online TV channel donga jan shangan yam goji gore jan en wujin der subscribe. Ki der jan nyaka nasin kokien din kwesh ke channel me. Gore jaban wo enjin baderi subscribe ki den notification bell. Derja twain ke deri sharla gorping ka kor kamishi ler shijeling bana racha ka jan kui kɔlɔra virus and anen tuokre which ka South Sudan kaler dana shalat gwas memen nyuaga ka yakel shalado nena kɔlɔra cheneti shop ka ngwan chakanak kanedi jan bakkel yude kel ti chakap ti tedwelwal re which ka warap state no Warab state a week kirmaya di jan gwadana and chennai ti chaka captain ne ngwan shikliu ne jan bakalu de kel chaka kap ko jan joyema raman tupal point pin de shela do ka kortane ti chok jan ngwani de badda karodi yan chot te ne de shop ka jan badda widero ti sho kap kortane jan ngwani de badda karo ne de to shwara do shwaga tayre duel wal ko gwad mi te wal te gaten walan content ko kwala ma da kanetin content ka joy Jala do mendang raw shikaliu ke wuna dang raw tichiliu ba shala do kani de konishanak kare duel wal ngode tini di shop jan jogu do ngwan te gare jami entamete te ka condition ka jan warab state chawra mo chaja kwen chekam nen yana magwasa me kɔlɔra juey mi jiagalong baja kwen ya ka talk English. 4 people have died and more than 61 others have been admitted to various treatment centers following a cholera outbreak in Warab State, South Sudan, authorities said. The state LZ and Environment Minister Dr. James Mazel said on Friday that cholera cases were increasing daily, and his ministry was working to contain the situation. He said 82 patients had been admitted within 48 successfully treated and discharged. Unfortunately, 2 men and 2 women have died and 34 others are still undergoing treatment in Cholera Treatment Center, he explained. Dr. Mazel said his ministry responded immediately after the first cases were reported on February 19 in Quite Source Payam. A management committee was formed to raise awareness across the state. Our intervention include establishing 4 cholera treatment centers. The first is the Magai Primary Health Center in the East Lille area. The second is in Kwajok Hospital. The third in Akon, and the fourth in Turunyor, all in Gogrial West County, Dr. Mazel said. The minister urged Warab communities to follow preventive measures and immediately report individuals with diarrhea to nearby health facilities. He also expressed gratitude to development partners for their support. Preventive measures include avoid drinking contaminated water, open defecation, and overcrowding. It is also crucial to bring cholera patients to clinics promptly for treatment, he said. Gogrial West County Commissioner Victor Wek Cordit confirmed the outbreaks and highlighted the shortage of cholera management supplies. There is a cholera outbreak in Quite South and Quite North Payam. Many patients have been admitted, some have been discharged, and many more are seeking admission. So far, more than 3 people have died as a result of the outbreak, he said.